Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem Mobile Hotspot not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you are getting the error message, "We can't set up Mobile Hotspot," don't worry, I have a very simple solution for you. First, click on the search bar and type Device Manager. Now open it. In Device Manager, find Network Adapters and click the drop-down. Here you will see Intel R Wi-Fi 6 driver. This contains the Mobile Hotspot driver. Right-click on it. If it is disabled, click on Enable. Next, right-click again and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will now search and update the driver automatically. Once it's updated, restart your computer. And now, as you can see, the Mobile Hotspot is working perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple fixes.